servants is I need make no long delay. Such desire I have to speak it and to spread it. For I have reason so new and so great of the young king who has finished his demand. His brother Richard, since his father commands him, so much is he forced. Since Lord Henry holds no land nor commands, let him be king of the base ones. 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 For he acts basely, living thus on the edge, on allowance, on account and on pledge. On account and on pledge. A crowned king who takes allowance from another ill resembles Lord Honor, the Marquis of Belanda, or the worthy Gillam who conquered Term Amanda. So much was he prized, since in Poitou he lies to them and cheats them. He shall never more be so loved there. Never more loved there. Never for sleeping shall the king of the English be of Coverland, nor shall he conquer our land. Nor shall he conquer our land. Nor hold Anjou, nor Montserrat, nor Candé, nor of Poitiers shall he have the watchtower, nor shall he be Duke of the Norman land, nor Count of the Palace, nor of Bordeaux, nor of the Gascons beyond the lands, Lord, nor of Bazes. I wish to give counsel in the tune of Lord Alamander there to Lord Richard, though he does not ask it of me. Never for his brother's sake does he soothe his men. He never spares himself, rather besieges and stakes them out, takes their castles from them, and overthrows and burns them on every side. And let the king tourney there with those of Garlanda, and the other, his brother-in-law. His brother-in-law. His brother-in-law. Count Geoffrey, to whom Brittany belongs. I wish he had been firstborn. Yeah, for he is courtly, and if it were in his command, kingdoms and duchies